Hi friends, do you think how to create a piano app? Today I'll explain in this video how to create a piano app by using Code.Volley software. So now I'm going for Code.Volley software. This is the platform of Code.Volley. Please sign in with your account and now next go for app lab. For creating an apps we have to choose an app lab. Click on the app lab. This is the page of the app lab or creating an app. So here we are having the workspace where we are going to write our code blocks, which we are going to drag and drop by using the blocks. And this is a screen like where we can see our result or our output. Now I told that I want to design a piano app. So first for designing a piano app, we should have a components like we should have buttons to click. So for selecting the blocks, go for design and select the buttons. I'm selecting as of now 3 buttons. Now I want to change the shape because piano will be in the vertical long and with the horizontal small. Right? So in this way I'm making the second one. Just you can see yourself like wow, which one do you feel comfortable and which one do you feel easy. You can make that much size and you can give the coding. So now I want to make them with all the verticals like which makes me to look like a piano. So now here like, so I'm having button 1, button 2 and button 3. So I'll be putting like ID as button 1, but in the text I'll be giving like number 1 as 1. And second one I'll be giving as 2. And for third one I'll be giving like third one because it is easy for us to remember and it's easy to do. Now after this like we have piano in the background like white color, but now I suppose I had given the text colors as white. So first I'll make them to with the change color of that. So instead of white I'll change that color to black or some blue color. Right. For now I change it for the color of third one in the same way, in the similarly change for the second one and in the same way change for the first one. Now I'll be changing the switch like background of the button color. So I want it should be white as we know that piano color should be in the white or creamish one. So you can make it as creamish or you can make it as white. So now I had made it 3 buttons of piano. Now I'll making them to be in a proper order like 1, 2 and 3. Now I have selected the components. Now next step is that now we are going for the coding part. So before that coding part, I'll be saying if you want to change this font size, you can change the font size, or if you want to change the size of the text, or you can change the size of the text. And now they like will be having different properties. You can add any property. Now I'm going for coding part. So now first I want to do programming for the first button. Like select first one button, like on event ID is button one. So because like first we are given an ID like button one for first one. So when I click button one, I should get a sound like music of piano. So like select the block called play sound. Attach inside an event. Now here you have to select the piano. You will be having all the different applications like instruments, loops, musics. So select the instruments and here you'll be having all different sounds. You can give any sound. So I'll be giving like one is upscaling for first button and to check is my code is now it's going to work or not. Click on the run, click on the one. Yeah, you are able to get some sound, right? In the same way now program for remaining second and third buttons. So I'm dragging the both and now I'm selecting like ID called button 2 and button 3. Now select play sound. The same way select for third one also. Had given one for upscale. Now I am giving some other sound by using instrumental, and I'm giving a downscale one. Now for the third one, I'll be giving some other sound. So now let's see. Now I have programmed for the three buttons. Now I've given three music sounds for three buttons. Now I'm clicking on the run and making my buttons. Yeah, you may observe like now we are getting three different sounds. So if you want to add still more buttons, means you can add still two or three buttons, and you can give the coloring like upside you want, like which coloring you want, you can give the color. And now if I want to change my background color, just now select the background color like on event, ID is my screen that I should change the background. So go for set property, and now I want to change my screen color. Okay. But like when I should change that color, so I need a button. So for that I'm selecting the block called button or a radio button. I'll be selecting the block and I'm increasing that button size. Right. Now for that button I have to program like for radio button. So select the button called radio button, and now at that time your screen should change. What it should change the background color, select background color, which red or green like blue. You can select any color. Click on run and click on the button. Your background has changed. So you can use multiple concepts in one code. That you can use the music and you can use the backgrounds and you can give the text. So these are the simple one which I want to tell you like how to create a piano app. Thank you.